If you've been using AI to create content and you're wondering how to turn that work into actual income, this video is going to give you 5 practical ways to do it, because a lot of people are using AI to write, design, outline, plan, and speed up the product creation process, but far fewer people are taking the next step and building something that can actually bring in money. AI can help you create faster, it can help you get more done, and it can help you turn ideas into finished products. But you still need a direction, you still need a monetization method, and you still need to know how the finished thing is going to be used. The good thing is, there are several genuine ways to make money from AI-created content. And I'm not talking about freelancing, because that usually means dealing with clients, revisions, and waiting for someone else to approve your work. I'm talking about creating your own assets, building your own products, publishing your own content, and putting it in places where people can find it and buy it. That gives you more control, you more leverage, and it gives you more chances to get ongoing results from work you've already done. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Number 1, affiliate marketing with AI content. This is one of the easiest ways to get started because you don't have to create the product yourself, you don't have to handle customer support, and you don't need your own checkout system from day one. What you're really doing here is using AI to help you create the kind of content that gets attention, builds interest, and moves people toward an offer that already exists. And when someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. The content side of this can include social posts, short written tips, captions for Instagram, Facebook posts, blog posts, product comparison posts, emails, short review summaries, and even scripts for short videos. AI can help you come up with the wording faster, it can help you expand a short idea into something more useful, and it can help you create multiple pieces of content around the same offer, which is great if you want to stay consistent without having to think of everything from scratch every single day. Now, one thing you do need to be careful about, especially on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, is putting your affiliate link directly into your post. In a lot of cases, that can get flagged and blocked, and it can make the post look more promotional than helpful. A better way to do it is to direct people to your website, your blog, or a page you control, because then you can talk about the offer properly, give more context, and place the link there. That gives you a bit more protection, it looks cleaner, and it also gives you the chance to build up traffic on your own site instead of sending people straight off the platform. So for example, let's say you're promoting an AI writing tool that fits the kind of things your audience would actually use. You could ask AI to help you create 5 Instagram captions, 5 Facebook posts, and 1 blog post around the same topic. Then each of those posts can point people back to your website where you explain the product properly and include your affiliate link. That way, you're using AI to speed up the content creation process, but you're also building a simple bridge between social media and your own site, which is a smarter long-term move. Number 2. Sell video courses that can be sold on platforms like ClickBank and 𝗕𝗏𝗂𝗂𝗓. This one makes a lot of sense for this channel because a lot of what we talk about on Product Creation Formula already fits the kind of content that can be turned into a course. If you know how to use AI to help create ebooks, rewrite PLR, build PowerPoint presentations, structure lessons, come up with course outlines, and speed up product creation, then you already have the kind of information that can be packaged into a digital course. AI can help you come up with your course outline, your module ideas, your lesson summaries, your slide text, your workbook ideas, your checklists, and even your video scripts if you want to use them. It can also help you repurpose existing content, so if you've already written an ebook, a guide, or a set of blog posts, you may be able to turn that material into course lessons much faster than starting from scratch. That's one of the best parts about AI in this space, because it helps you get to the finished product faster, which means you've got something ready to sell much sooner. Now, when I say sell video courses, I'm not talking about making something overblown and complicated where you feel like you need a massive studio setup, because you really don't. You can build a course with PowerPoint, Use AI to help structure the lessons, add a voiceover, and then export the finished lessons as videos. You can also create a course around something practical and specific, like how to edit PLR using AI, how to create an ebook quickly, how to turn a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation, how to create a simple lead magnet, or how to build a low-content book idea and get it ready for Amazon KDP. Platforms like ClickBank and 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂 are worth mentioning because they're built around digital product sales, and they also allow other people to promote your product as affiliates, which can help you get more reach. That is one of the big advantages here, because instead of relying only on your own traffic, you can create a product that other marketers may want to promote as well, especially if the offer is useful, clearly positioned, and aimed at a market that already buys digital products. You can also create different levels of offers around the same topic. You might have a front-end course, then an upsell with extra lessons, extra resources, or additional tools, and that can raise the value of the whole thing without forcing you to create a completely unrelated product. AI helps here too, because once the main structure is in place, it becomes easier to create more supporting content around it. Number 3, make money with a review YouTube channel. This is a very real method, and a lot of people are already doing it. If you create videos reviewing tools, software, platforms, or products that help people solve a problem, then there are multiple ways to make money from that. You can make money from YouTube ads once you're monetized, you can make money from affiliate links in the description, and you can also use your review videos to drive people towards your blog, your email list, or your own products. AI can help a lot with the preparation side of review videos. It can help you outline the main points, list the pros and cons, compare one tool against another, create titles, write draft descriptions, and even help you structure the script if you're using one. Now, for a channel like ProductCreationFormula, where a lot of the audience is interested in tools that speed up digital product creation, review videos can work very well because people are already looking for software that helps them create ebooks, courses, voiceovers, covers, and other digital assets faster. Our review channel also works well because the content often has buyer intent behind it. Someone searching for a review of an AI writing tool, a course creation platform, a voiceover tool, or an ebook builder is often much closer to buying than someone just watching a general motivational video. That means the traffic can be more valuable because it's tied to a product decision. You can also take a wider approach with it. You don't have to review only AI tools. You can review software, platforms, websites, or resources that help with digital product creation in general. That could include speech-to-text tools, ebook creation tools, course hosting platforms, PLR sites, PowerPoint add-ins, or low-content book tools. AI is there to help speed up the research and content creation side, but the income comes from the views, the affiliate clicks, and the trust you build by helping people make better choices. Number 4, create low-content books to sell on Amazon KDP. This is another very practical way to monetize AI-assisted content, and it's especially useful if you want to create assets that can sit on a marketplace and keep bringing in sales over time. Low-content books can include journals, planners, trackers, logbooks, prompt books, activity books, and other formats where the main value comes from the structure, usability, and niche appeal. Now, AI can help you in several ways here. It can help you brainstorm niches, come up with title ideas, generate subtitle ideas, create interior page concepts, write prompts for guided journals, and even help with the description. It can also help you come up with different variations of the same type of book, which is useful if you want to build a small range of related products instead of relying on one title. For example, you might create a niche journal, a habit tracker, a planner, or a prompt book around a specific audience or topic. The key part is making it useful and relevant, because people do buy low-content books, but they still need to feel like the product serves a purpose. That means the niche matters, the cover matters, and the usability matters. Amazon KDP is a good platform for this because it gives you access to a built-in marketplace, which means you don't have to create your own store first just to get started. Once the book is live, it has the chance to be found through Amazon search, and that gives you a discovery advantage that you don't always get when trying to sell products only through your own website. Number 5, AI-assisted blogging for affiliate income and AdSense revenue. This is one that should not be overlooked. because blogging is still a real monetization method when it's done properly, and AI can help speed up a lot of the work involved. I'm talking about using AI to help with topic ideas, outlines, draft articles, keyword angles, product comparisons, and helpful informational posts, then publishing those articles on your blog and monetizing them through affiliate links and Google AdSense. This works because a blog gives you a place you control. Social media platforms can change, posts can disappear quickly, and direct affiliate links can be flagged. But your own website gives you a stable place to publish useful content, place your links properly, and build traffic over time. That is a big reason why sending people from Instagram or Facebook to your website is such a smart move, because the website becomes the hub. With this method, your blog posts can do two jobs at once. They can bring in affiliate commissions when people click through and buy recommended products, and they can also bring in ad revenue through AdSense when your traffic grows. So even if someone doesn't buy straight away, the page can still help you earn money through views. That gives you an extra layer of monetization, which is one of the reasons blogging can still be very worthwhile. The kinds of blog posts that tend to fit this model well include product comparisons, best tool lists, how-to articles, problem-solving articles, review posts, and informational posts that lead naturally into a recommendation. So if your niche is digital product creation, you can have articles about AI ebook tools, course creation tools, AI voiceovers, PLR editing tools, low-content book ideas, and software comparisons. Those are all topics that can attract people who are already interested in solving a problem or buying something that helps them do it faster. The important part is making the content useful. AI can help you draft and speed things up, but you still want to edit it properly, make it readable, and make sure it genuinely helps the person reading it. That is what gives the article a better chance of being found, shared, and trusted. Over time, a good blog can become an asset in its own right, because each article becomes another page that can bring in traffic and income. So when you look at all 5 of these methods together, you can probably start to see that AI created content doesn't have to stay as just content sitting on your hard drive. It can become social posts that lead to affiliate offers. It can become course material. It can become review videos. It can become low content books, and it can become blog posts that earn from both affiliate income and AdSense. The real opportunity comes from taking what AI helps you create and putting it into a model that people already spend money on. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know which of these 5 methods sounds like the best fit for you right now. Just so you know, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a playlist of a series of videos that is a video course called Simple Product Creation. It's only 7 videos long, so it won't take you long to watch it. Plus, it's free. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.